this video, we are going to discuss about top 4 best eSIM for Malaysia. So the first one is Maya Mobile. It offers 30-day plans with price starting at lowest from $5 for 1 GB. They provide unlimited data plans and allow tethering or hotspots. So the next one in the list is Holafly, known for unlimited data plans with pricing starting from $20.9 for 5 days. So the third one is Earlo. Earlo offers flexible data packs with prices starting from $4.5 for 1 GB for 7 days. And so the next one in the list is Nomad. Nomad provides various plans, include 1 GB for 7 days at $4 and 20 GB for 30 days at $31.99. So this is it for the best eSIMs for Malaysia. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.